cook or prepare in a 13x9 baker. And we've got America's favorite size baker from Temp-tations. It comes along not only in your favorite patterns and colors, but also with this plastic snap-on storage cover. So right out of the oven, this can go right on top and you're ready to roll with something that is phenomenal. Now at this sale price, over 23,000 of these have been ordered. That's more than half of what we have remaining, and I should also tell you it's on 5 easy payments and free shipping and handling. We're super excited to have this baker in stock for you, the remainder in stock I should say, and able to ship immediately for your holiday baking and cooking and gift giving. Let's welcome in Tara Tescher, the president, CEO, and designer of Temp-tations. Tara, you brought in America's favorite baker, and we've got so many patterns and colors to choose from.
It's awesome, David, because when you think about it, this is the single most requested, most used baking dish in the kitchen. It's your lasagna pan, it's your brownie pan. You're literally prepping, cooking, serving, and storing, because you have that snap-on storage cover, just in this one baker. 4-quart in total capacity, nice depth here, helper handles on the side, and as you said, colors and patterns to boot.
Oh my gosh, it's so great. And we should also point out we're introducing the slate blue in this beautiful woodland pattern. But I have only 130 of those to go around, so I'm going to alert my crew early that we're going to be handing off a lot of these. Here's woodland in the taupe, 900, woodland in the gray, 950, and always popular is the white. Only 1,000 to go around, and those will sell very, very quickly. Let me tell you as we shoot these from the side, thank you, Judy. Here is your floral lace in the red, 550, cranberry, 350. Here is your eggplant, 280, and black, 250. Come over here to the green, 350, then the taupe. Taupe's available, gray, available, and the blue, always popular with now fewer than 1,000. In Old World, I've got black, 400 black. Here is the taupe, available, and the gray, available. Now up top is your blue, one of our most popular Old World colors, 1,100. Here's your red, 500, cranberry, 450. Tara collects the confetti, always popular. Down below that is the eggplant, fewer than 400, and the color that started it all is the green, available. 400 now ordered in this show. We are last call in slate blue with 6 dozen remaining. Tara, let's get busy creating and cooking and serving. This is the ideal size dish.
You're absolutely right, David. I'm coming out with 4 quarts of a beautiful, bubbling cobbler. And here's what I love about it. So the fact that it's naturally nonstick, no butters, no oils, no extra added fat. You're able to bake in here, like we mentioned. You're able to do beautiful, ooey gooey. Everybody knows how sticky a cobbler can be, but literally you can pull it right away from the sides of this. So whether you're doing a hot dessert, whether you're doing a cold dessert, whether you're baking cakes in here, this is your go-to baker that, again, you're prepping and cooking and serving and storing in. And a lot of times they're metal, a lot of times they're glass, they're utilitarian. But when you have Temp-tations with the beautiful hand painting and all of that gorgeous colors, you bring it right to the table as well.
Tara, slate blue has sold out, left the building. All right, so 900 of these are now gone. Do not wait on white woodland. That's going to be the next one to go with 800, 800 left to go around. These are so popular. And Tara, I believe this might be our final order of the year. Is that right?
This should be it, David. This should be it for sure. Yes.
Now, are you mixing in the same container you're going to bake in?
Yeah. So here's what I love. When we talk about metal utensil safe, there's no other example I can think of than taking out your KitchenAid hand mixer and mixing right inside here. You can get around the corners. There's helper handles here on the side that, again, make it easy to come in and out of the oven. And so instead of getting out mixing bowls and measuring cups and all of the things that we use, you literally can put all of your ingredients right inside this one baker, put this baker right in the oven, cook it right in here. It's beautiful enough because it looks like your fine china to bring it right to the table. And look over here, David, through the magic. Let me turn that off first before I'm covered in it. We actually baked a beautiful cake in our white woodland where we put a gorgeous little cardinal on top. Here's that cake. Now, here's the cake you probably have been making because you're using metal or you're using glass. Metal buckles in the oven. You can't control the heat. Glass, hard to clean sometimes. Would you rather bring it to the table in something as beautiful as our Temp-tations stoneware, or one of those utilitarian dishes that you've been using.
Exactly. And speaking of serving, we've got a beautiful mac and cheese over here. Adult mac and cheese, decidedly, because it has the tomatoes in it. You can also charcuterie.
It's healthy
in
mac
this.
and cheese.
Yeah, some gorgeous lasagna, great big roasting
Yes.
turkey for Thanksgiving. This is that universal 13 by 9. Sure, you're going to bake a cake in here, but you're also going to roast ham in here for Christmas. You're going to do turkey in here for
13
holiday.
pounds, David. That's a 13-pound turkey.
13-pound bird.
Yes.
Unbelievable. Don't miss out on this opportunity. We're very, very busy. With how many gone now, Sean? Over 2,000 ordered in this show and another 1,000 customers waiting to place an order. QVC.com and mobile apps are your two best ways to get through right now. Everyone is looking to grab their color and pattern before it's gone. Now, if you want woodland, I have it in this beautiful taupe available. Here's the gray available, but if you want the white, I have 450 remaining in that white. A moment ago, that was 1,000 left to go around. 450 now. Now, here is your floral lace, red, 400, cranberry, 275. Here's eggplant, 200, and black, 200. Here's the green, 300. Here's taupe, available, gray, available, and blue. Most popular with fewer than 800 available. Now, in the old world, here's black, 350. Here's taupe, available, and gray, available. Here's blue, available. Here is your red, 450, and cranberry, 400. Then the confetti, the one Tara loves, very,
Love.
very popular. Beneath that is eggplant, 350, and then the green. Green is available. Tara, 3,000 of these are now gone in this show.
Wow.
Everybody is looking for the perfect dish for baking, for serving. This is going to serve everyone really well from the holidays right into the new year.
Yes, David, we've been sharing for over 19 years with 21 million sets shared. This is the single most requested, most used size that we get asked for. It's that universal baker that so many of us love, and it's stoneware. So this goes under the broiler. This can go in the fridge and the freezer if you want to meal prep ahead of time and snap that storage cover on it. It goes in the microwave when you want to reheat. We baked a cake that actually will make 24 slices of 2 by 2. So that nice, kind of portion size. So that's why when we think about a 13 by 9 baker, it's always prepping, baking, serving, and storing Temp-tations style.
Well, everyone's excited about this one. We're going to invite you to stay on the line with well over 3,000 ordered in this show. Tara, we're going to bring you back for one more item, I understand, yes?
Cheers, our set of 4 mugs. Can't
Our
wait.
mugs are coming out, so don't miss it, including the little cardinals, which we're excited about. So we'll tell you more about that. In the meantime, let's get into Green Pan. Wait until you see the value that we have saved for you in